Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this system of equations 2 to the power x times 3 to the power y is equal to 12 and 2 to the power y times 3 to the power x is equal to 18. Let's call it as equation number 1 and it as equation number 2. If we multiply equation 1 by equation 2, we can write 2 to the power x times 3 to the power y times 2 to the power y times 3 to the power x is equal to 12 times 18, or 2 to the power x times 2 to the power y can be written as 2 to the power x plus y times 3 to the power x times 3 to the power y can be written as 3 to the power x plus y is equal to 12 is 6 times 2 times 18 is equal to 3 times 6, or 2 to the power x plus y times 3 to the power x plus y is equal to 2 times 3 whole to the power x plus y is equal to 6 times 2 times 3 is equal to 6 times this 6, or 2 times 3 is equal to 6 to the power x plus y is equal to 6 times 6 times 6 is equal to 6 cube. Here base 6 are same, so the power will be equal, so we can write x plus y is equal to 3. Call it as equation number 3. Now if we divided equation 1 by equation 2, we can write 2 to the power x times 3 to the power y over 2 to the power y times 3 to the power x is equal to 12 over 18, or 2 to the power x divided by 2 to the power y is 2 to the power x minus y divided by 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power y can be written as 3 to the power x minus y is equal to, simplifying this 12 over 18, we can write 2 over 3, or 2 to the power x minus y over 3 to the power x minus y is 2 over 3 whole to the power x minus y is equal to, this 2 over 3 can be written as 2 over 3 whole to the power 1. Here base 2 over 3 are same, so the power x minus y is 1. So we can write x minus y is equal to 1. Call it as equation number 4. Now if we add equation 3 and 4, we will have x plus y plus x minus y is equal to 3 plus 1, or this y and y will cancel out, so it will be x plus x is equal to twice x is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4, or divided both side by 2, we can write x is equal to 4 over 2. So the value of x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now substituting this value of x in equation number 3, we can write 2 plus y is equal to 3. or taking this 2 to right side, we will have y is equal to 3 minus 2. So the value of y is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. So the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. This is the solution of these equations. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.